What's up, guys? I'm gonna be building this dog box today. I was gonna do it all out of scrap metal and weld everything and fabricate it perfect to the bed and everything, but my dad had this box laying around and had a door for it and everything, and all I had to do was just piece it all together. So I mean, it was free, and you can't beat nothing that's free. So I went ahead and used the box and just had to customize it a little bit to make it fit, and obviously I had to put doors on it and do all that, and I put a little box on top. But yeah, I'll just show you all the process. So this right here is just cutting the hinges, and I'm about to weld them on, that way I can create my doors right here. So here I am tacking the hinges on and everything. So the bed of my side-by-side on the driver's side is not perfectly square. It kind of makes a curve in and then back out. So I had to kind of cut the box and make it fit. So this is what I'm doing right here. So this is the back of the box right here. I'm just welding this in to keep the dogs in, obviously, and I left it high right there, so you'll see at the end, but we can throw leashes and anything up there and not worry about it sliding off. So I'm trimming up the doors, that way it fits a little flush, that way I can get my latches in there no problem, and I'm also putting the center bar in the middle, which you'll see me cutting right about now. So this right here is the box I was talking about. So I just had to cut this brace off on the top, that way it's flush, and then you're gonna see me drill the holes right here, and then we're gonna put the bolts in it. Pretty simple. So this is putting on the latches. I've got the latches that latch when you close, like every normal dog box does. Actually, Dad had these laying around, so for this project I did not have to buy nothing. This is completely free, for me anyway. So I actually used a bolt on the other side because I didn't have the pin, but some PB Blaster freed it right up pretty easily. So this is my supports for the top to complete that cage that I was talking about earlier, so things wouldn't slide off. So what you just seen me do was put a little pin on there. I welded it on the side for a hatchet and a machete. So what I'm doing right here now is obviously I'm making a sheath basically for my chainsaw to hang on the side. That way it's always with me on my dog box and it's easy to carry. And I'm also just touching up all the welds and hitting everything that I just tacked together. And this is the last little bit of fabricating, just finishing that top cage, and it's ready to go. And for now I'm just using ratchet straps to hold it on. It works pretty good, but in the future I'd like to have a more secure way of tying it down through the woods. So I just got this little trailer. It fits my side by side actually pretty good. I just put those marker lights on. I'm welding a D-ring right here and use the winch to strap it down. But so let's get started.